7 years. She was my second falcon ever. This is Ruby.
What'd she eat?
Her and I mostly catch ducks, pigeons. She's gotten some quail whenever we've traveled. Mostly pigeons, though.
How big of stuff can she pick up off the ground?
The rule of thumb for any bird of prey is nothing over half their body weight. So she weighs about 3 pounds. So anything over 1.5 pounds, she's not carrying off.
Nice.
What do you think, Ruby? Spread your wings, people. She has long toes, and they have the beak. It has a little notch in it. It's made for severing spinal cords. Thanks, Ruby.
No problem.
This forest seemed worse.
Yeah. Yeah, look at such a pretty bird. You're gonna be a YouTube star.
Excited, Ruby?